Most of the time, large trees are going to be just fine. Their roots often spread out for miles in every direction. And that's all well and good until one falls on your house. Storms, heavy wind, and the heavy weight from snow or ice can bring down even the strongest of trees. It's worth taking a look at any trees that could fall onto your property. Here's what we're looking for. Are there any cracks or brittle bark? Are there very few healthy leaves, or maybe none at all? Is the tree host to pests or to fungus? Did it all of a sudden develop a lien? Bottom line, if you have any concerns, this is definitely expert level stuff. And I highly recommend bringing in an arborist, someone who's certified, that can offer you expert advice and make sure that that bad boy doesn't fall down on your house. Thanks for watching. In the next episode, we clean gutters. We'll see you then.